Greetings from Obi Nukwu Chineke, also known as the truth of the wind, water and sand, that our Creator, the owner of humans, uses to sustain all humans to live and witness his creation, and to acknowledge him as the owner of the universe. In return for humans to respect him by respecting their fellow human beings, to allow peace and harmony to take place, for the function of the human brain and 5 fingers to be at work to bring out the beauty of the universe that he installed in the wind, water and sand, for the continuity of his creation in the universe. And the continuity of the earth requires human creativity to bring the vision of the universe to reality. And for the reality of universe to take place is human to act like the owner of the earth, by allowing their brain and 5 fingers to go into creativity to create and manufacture things that can help humans, life multiplication of humans that will sustain the existence of the universe for the continuity. And to love the creator of the universe is to love your fellow human beings. And again, to worship the creator of the universe is to be helpful to your fellow human beings. And the endless road to reach the creator of the universe and to have his unlimited presence is via the monitor that he placed to supervise the activity on the earth, both spiritual and physical, which is the wind, water and sand that are always with all human bodies without a time limit. The truth here is that all human activities are monitored via the wind, water and sand, that always with humans, body without a time limit. It has been reviewed that no human can escape from their activity against human existence in this endless world. To rest in peace after death is to avoid anything that will lead you to destroy human presence on this endless world. That goes beyond your imagination. The creator of all humans knows what each human does through the wind, water and sand that follow every human being to watch all the activity and record all the words and actions to keep a record for the judgment after death. What the creator of the universe needs from humans is to be kind to one another, live in peace, and create a conducive environment for the multiplication of humans to engage in creativity to establish the beauty of the universe that he installed in the wind, water and sand, the monitors and holders of the earth. Wind, water and sand are the beginning of the earth and the strong holders of every living being, and without the constant work of the wind, water and sand, no living being can survive to know their names, not even know politics and religions of humans made, that causing people's life because humans lack the knowledge of the vision of the earth. The truth is, there's no human being who can escape from their evil action towards their fellow humans in the name of politics and positions of power to rule, without knowing the vision of this very earth. Whatever humans commit against their fellow human, the crime can't be forgotten after death. The wind, water and sand will present all the human activities, action display on earth. It will be the judgment that will lead to rest in peace and restlessness after death, because this earth doesn't belong to humans. To have rest in peace after death is to avoid anything that will destroy humans' life that you didn't create. Don't kill humans because of politics and religions which build by humans' mentality to control by misleading others in the name of a supreme leader. Don't create a group to suppress others from stealing from their resource. Allow every human to live in peace, to enjoy their life while witnessing the creation of the universe, and to contribute to the continuity of existence. Don't force anyone to join your religion because you are looking for a group of people to use and fight unnecessary fights without the prospect of a better life. Don't use politics and government authority to destroy and kill the people that you don't like. Have it in mind, this very earth is not yours. With time, the wind, water and sand will judge your body to the grave and cage your spirit for your wickedness toward your fellow humans being. The wind, water and sand that attach to your body are the witnesses of your actions. Without a mistake, they are busy taking a record of your involvement. From Onye Ndu, Kingsley Akineke, aka Ikuku, the voice of the truth after life. This is Volume 9. Continue with Volume 10 in the next video.